How to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like something went wrong, please try again later on your Roblox. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your internet connection whether it is stable or not. For that, open up any browser. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for fast.com. After you visit the official site of fast.com, it will tell you the exact speed of your Wi-Fi connection. So you can as usual confirm your internet connection. After you confirm it, make sure that your account or ID password is correct. For that, as you can also directly log in that account on your browser, simply open browser and search for roblox.com. After you come on the section, tap on continue in browser at the bottom. And from here, simply provide your username or password here. After you confirm that your credentials are correct and you are not able to log in on your app, you'll have to just clear the cache of that application. For iPhone, open settings. From settings, tap on general. And from here, tap on iPhone storage. From here, you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to find out the application Roblox. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on upload app. Or let's tap on upload app from here. After you uploaded the Roblox app, you'll have to again tap on the option reinstall app, and from there, after you clear the cache of Roblox from there, you'll be able to fix that problem, and from there you can directly open that application and re-log into your account. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.